Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play goalkeeper in EAFC. Becoming a great goalkeeper starts with understanding your basic controls. You'll primarily use the left stick for precise manual movement, allowing you to position yourself perfectly. When a shot comes in, the right stick is your best friend for executing those incredible dives and making vital saves. And don't forget the triangle or Y button. It's essential for rushing out to challenge attackers and close down angles. Mastering these fundamentals is your first step to dominating the box. Now, let's talk about smart positioning, which is crucial for any top-tier goalkeeper. Always try to anticipate where the shot is going by watching the attacker's body language and footwork. For most shots, especially those from outside the 18-yard box, it's best to stay on your line. Only commit to rushing out when you are certain you can significantly reduce the attacker's angle. Remember, good positioning can save you from making a difficult dive, often making the save look effortless. It's about being in the right place at the right time. Moving on to some advanced techniques that will elevate your game. Practicing one-on-one situations is vital. It hones your timing for when to dive or rush out against a lone attacker. When distributing the ball, use the L1 or LB button for quick, precise throws, launching counterattacks with speed. Instead of catching every shot, sometimes it's smarter to parry the ball wide or over the bar, pushing it away from dangerous areas. These subtle skills can make a huge difference in tight matches, turning potential goals into safe clearances. Finally, let's discuss the importance of consistent practice and teamwork. Effective communication with your defenders is paramount. Guide them to mark opponents and organize the backline. Dedicate time to skill games. They are excellent for sharpening your reflexes and improving your diving timing. After matches, take a few moments to analyze replays, especially of goals you conceded. This helps you understand what went wrong and how to prevent it next time. Remember, a great goalkeeper is not just about individual saves, but also about leading the defense and constantly improving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.